In this video we are going to see another problem of TCS DCA exam. So let's see the problem. The problem states that write a program to find the kth largest element from an array of numbers. Okay, so in the problem it is given to us that we are given an array of size n, which is 5. This is the size of the array and these are the elements in the array. We have to find the kth largest, which means the third largest element in the array. So if we see, the largest element in the array is 60, the second largest element in the array is 40, and the third largest element in this array is 30. So what we have to output is, we have to output 30. So let's see how to approach this problem. So in the given array we have 5 as the size of the array, and these are the different elements of the array, and this is the k that is given to us. So here the first input is 5, the size of the array is, which is the size of the array, and the elements are given, and the last input that is given to us will be 3, which is pointing to the third greatest element. So hence we have to find the third greatest element. One way of doing it can be, we can just simply sort the array and return the third element from the array. This will solve our problem, but this code will not be time efficient. So we will look at another optimized approach which will make use of heap. So in C++ we declare heap using priority queue. So first of all, consider that we have made this heap and this is our array given to us. First of all, what we will do is, so the heap that we have used over here is minimum heap. Okay, since we have to find the largest element, we have made use of the min heap. So let's take the elements one by one. First of all, we have taken 10. So let's enter 10 over here. For every position we have to check that our size of the heap should not exceed k, that is 3. So here the size is less than 3, so we will move ahead, and now the next element that will come to us will be 20. So since this is a min heap, so what will happen over here is, we will the heapify procedure will happen and the minimum element will be at the top. So 10 will come here. Now again we will check if the size of the heap is less than 3. Yes, it is. So we will move on to the next element, which is 30. So we have processed 20 and now we are moving towards 30. So when 30 will be inserted, it will come at the last since it is the largest element, and the remaining elements will be on top of it, and 10 will be at the topmost since it is the minimum element. Now here also our heap size is less than 3 only, so we will move on to the next step. Now the element that we will take next is 40, and if we will insert this in the heap. So 40 will come at the last position, and then above it all the other elements. Heapify procedure basically will take place over here. So 40, 30, 20, and then 10 will be at the topmost level. So at this position, when 10 is at the topmost level, what happens is the size of the k becomes, that is the size of this heap is greater than k, which is size is greater than 3. So what we will do is, we will pop the topmost element. So now our heap contains only 3 elements, and we will move to the next step. So whenever our size becomes greater than the k, we will pop the topmost element. So now we will insert 60 into the heap, and then the remaining elements as it is. So 40 will come here, and then above that 30, and upon that 20. So again here what happens is, the size has become greater than 3. So what we will do is, we will pop the topmost element. So when all the elements are processed, we have to return the topmost element of the heap, which is 30 in this case. So our answer will be 30. So this 30 will be the third largest element of our array. So in this way we will approach this problem, and you can see that the output is 30. Now let's code this problem.
So now let's see the code for this problem. So first of all, we have taken an int array, and these are the elements of the array, and in n we have taken the size of this array, and the k given to us in the question was equals to 3, and this we have declared a min heap. So in C++, basically a min heap is implemented using a priority queue data structure. Okay, so now let's see. First of all, we will traverse through the array, that is I is equals to 0 to n, and we will increment I. Now what we will do, we will push each element in the min heap. So min heap dot push array of I, that is we are pushing each element, and after pushing each element we will check if the size of the min heap, that is min heap dot size, is greater than k. If it is greater than k, we simply pop the top element from min heap dot pop, and whatever after this whole loop runs completely, we will get the third largest element or the kth largest element at the top of the min heap. So we will print min heap dot top, and therefore we will get our answer. Let's see. So you can see we have got 30 as the answer. So in our array, the third largest element, that was 30 only. So thank you.